Welcome to dsf.my. Today, our YouTube channel is going to be slightly different. The presentation is going to be slightly different. We have two interesting vehicles here, both from Audi Malaysia. Now, you know Audi Malaysia has got a whole range of vehicles, but did you know they have some very interesting electric vehicles? Now, when I say electric vehicles, I'm talking about full electric vehicles, not hybrid, not plug-in hybrid, full battery powered vehicles. And Audi has given Malaysians two variants for an electric SUV. You have the Q8 Sportback with a very streamlined coupe-like design, yet it's an SUV. Then you got the Q8 e-tron, which is a proper SUV-like rear. Now, why I'm showing you the rear of these cars is because this is where you really see the difference between the two possible models. The front looks the same, the side profile, of course, this one has got slightly sloping, and then when you get into vehicles, they're actually the same. But one is called the e-tron 55 and the other one is the e-tron 50. Now, to explain further, I'm going to invite my co-host to explain the details.
Thanks, Daniel. Hi, it's Subhash, and I'm going to explain to you what this Q8 e-tron 50 is all about. So this model, you can actually also option it as a Sportback, but what we have here is the non-Sportback, the standard model. Some people will actually prefer this because it has that standard SUV shape, and from the side profile, it has that Audi wagon look, and everybody knows Audi makes the best looking wagons. So if you squint, you can still get a kind of a station wagon look. And there's a really special thing about this is you're getting a premium flagship level, fully imported German car for under 300,000 ringgit. Q8, it says that on the badge. It's really flagship level in terms of equipment, in terms of the feel, the look, all the specifications, even the power output is really high. And you're getting it at under 300,000 ringgit. It's unheard of. There are some compact entry-level premium cars that are more expensive than this. So it's a really great package for the price. On top of that, like I said, it's premium in terms of equipment, so you get 20-inch plus rims, and Audi has some of the best designed rims available on the market, and you get that even on this lower model, the 50 model, right? The power is huge, 340 horsepower, over 600 Newton meters of torque. It's a 0 to 100 in 6-second car for 300,000 ringgit. Again, every time you look at the price and you look at the specs you're getting, it's really unmatched. And it's not like this is an aged car that they're trying to get rid of. This is brand new from the factory with a 5-year warranty. You're getting a 160,000 kilometer warranty for the whole vehicle. For the battery, it's 8 years. It's really extensive and it's manufacturer backed. It's not some insurance warranty. So yeah, in terms of the ownership experience, you're really getting uncompromising Audi experience here. Not just that, when you get to the safety level, for that, I want to show you the inside of the cabin of the Q8 50 e-tron. Now, I say it's the lower spec one, even though it is not the 55. You're still getting standard safety, includes pre-sense for front and rear detection, adaptive cruise control with lane swerve, turn assist, all of that integrated, front and rear cross traffic assist, lane departure warning, a surround view monitor, park assist, and also emergency call should the worst happen. And then you have a lot of intelligent tech as standard. So the Audi Connect app will let you remotely lock the car. You have a locator built in. You get all the stats, including the range, the battery percentage that's left, everything through your phone. You get the Audi virtual cockpit, which has been the pioneer of digital instrumentation from the beginning, and here it's better than ever. It's large, it's clear, it's the best in the market still. The center infotainment unit, it's the MMI Navi Plus with touch response, and what's unique is the touch response here has a bit of haptic feedback, so you know whether you click the button or not. And of course, wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto is all built in. And of course, the ownership experience, like I said, 5-year, 150,000 km for the full car, 5-year, 75,000 km maintenance free. The 5-year roadside assistance program, all that is built into the Audi assurance package. And of course, the battery warranty, like I said before, 8 years, 160,000 kilometers. You're basically good to go lah. Okay, so to me, this is a no-brainer. If you want a luxury German, European-made car for under 300,000 ringgit, you have to go and test drive this car. The Audi network is expanding in Malaysia, so go and check out any of the showrooms. But if you want something with a bit more power, maybe you want a Sportback look, I'm going to hand it over to Daniel to explain the Audi Q8 e-tron 55 Sportback. Take it away.
So, Subhash has already explained about the standard Q8. This is the Sportback. Now, with the Sportback, you get a more sporty outlook, but also you get more power. Because why? This has got dual motor, quattro. What is quattro? This is the Audi famous all-wheel drive system, which a lot of people love and talk about. When they had petrol cars, of course, you know, Audi has been doing electric motors since the last few years, and they have now decided that they're going to put quattro in their electric vehicles, which means you get very, very good handling. Plus, look at the interior. This is where this car differs from the other one. You get side view mirrors that are basically little cameras with screens inside. This gives you that whole new elevated experience of being an electric vehicle with a lot of features. Now, in terms of power delivery, this vehicle will give you 408 PS. 408 PS from the dual motor, 664 Newton meters of torque. The 0 to 100 dash is 5.6 seconds, which means this vehicle is not slow. It's a sports vehicle, sports electric vehicle. Now, you got adaptive air suspension, which means the car will lower itself and go up when it's needed to do that. Now, you can also adjust it manually with a little button. But what is more interesting is charging. Now, you'll ask about charging because it's an electric vehicle. You have a 22 kilowatt AC charger or a 170 kilowatt onboard charger. So let me show you the charging port since this is an electric vehicle. So you get a 170 kilowatt onboard charger, and it's easy to use, straightforward. I like the fact that you have this little, mechanism to open and close it. You get 4-zone aircon with air ionizer and built-in perfume. The doors, look at that, soft closing doors, panoramic glass sunroof. You can see from inside here, advanced and intelligent technologies that only comes with Audi vehicles. You got a digital matrix LED headlight with high precision light control, on the road information, cool entry light show, virtual exterior mirrors like we showed you just now. Those are virtual exterior mirrors. Can you see this? And then the screens are on the inside, on the doors. So, Audi e-tron Q8 Sportback. Now, what's the asking price? From 299,000 ringgit. Yes, 299,000 ringgit. You can take home these two electric vehicles from Audi with all the features that we mentioned before, all the features that Subhash mentioned. And if you come and see the front, when you are purchasing any Audi, very important, you want to see that 4 rings. This is the signature Audi logo, the signature Audi look and feel, the 4 rings. So both cars, very similar on the front, very different on the side profile, and very interesting on the inside. So go to a showroom, ask them for a test drive, take it out for test drive, feel the power, feel the handling of that all-wheel drive system, and more importantly, the price starts from 299,000 ringgit. Thank you for watching. Any comments, please share with us, good or bad, we don't mind.